Hello and welcome to our channel, Science Kicks. Today we will talk about two big mysteries. We have made a theory for each mystery and will explain our theories in this video. Joke of the day. Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless! Words of the day. The first word, Nishant will say, the second word, I will.
Ahoy means hi in Slovak, which is the language spoken in Slovakia.
Ame Kem Cho means how are you in Gujarati. Thought of the day. Hard work is the key to success. I repeat, hard work is the key to success. Does Atlantis exist? Atlantis was a lost city. Plato, Greek philosopher, wrote about it in his two works. People think the story is fake, others think it is real, some think some parts of the story are correct. Dr. Robert Ballard, the person who discovered the Titanic, the wreckage of Titanic, said that this has happened to many other countries and continents around the world. And it's quite possible that Atlantis exists. Plato's story about Atlantis. Plato wrote that Atlantis had a big army, lots of kings and money. For no reason, they decided to attack Asia and Europe. The only one to defeat them was Athens. Because of an earthquake, Atlantis sunk. Plato wrote that Atlantis had existed 9,000 years before his time. That's why people think it's mythical as it was so old. Somebody else would have written about it before Plato. The Richat structure. Richat structure has the closest resemblance to Atlantis. This structure is located in Mauritania, Africa, and it is called the Eye of the Sahara Desert. Plato described that there was beautiful mountain range in the north. The Richat structure has mountain ranges close to it. As you can see in the image, the blue color which looks like water is salt sedimentation. Proof that water only. Discovery near Andros, Bahamas. Discovery near Andros, Bahamas. Near Andros, Bahamas, the Casey Foundation found square rocks under the ocean which stretch several hundred yards and are assumed to be 11 to 12,000 years old. This coincides the same time Atlantis could have existed. Edgar Cayce assumed about the records kept by Atlantis. Edgar Cayce, a Macarthurist clairvoyant, assumed that the records kept by the people of Atlantis, which are required to learn our history of mankind, further than ever before, are in three locations: the Sphinx of Giza, Chichen Itza, Yucatan Peninsula, Andros, Bahamas. He said that there will be entrances near the Sphinx Site 4. Archaeologists have found entrances which lead to secret caves inside the Sphinx near the Sphinx Site 4. 4 ancient world mysteries. The Moai statue. Why were they built and who built it? The pyramids of Giza. Why were these built? Sphinx. So why were these built again? And Stonehenge. Why were these built and what were they used for? People think aliens built them, and it is also said that people have seen UFOs or flying saucers and aliens in these areas. My theory of Atlantis. Richat structure is Atlantis because we have proof water was there. The Sahara Desert is very old and it had water in forests. It was a paradise in ancient times. Africa was very advanced, but it dried. But all the water in forests dried due to weather change. In ancient times, Egypt. So all the African countries were very, very advanced compared to any other continents like that. Now, my friend Nishant will say another mystery, which is how do supermassive black holes form? Over to you, Nishant.
How do supermassive black holes form? Some of you might not know what are black holes, so let's talk about that first. Black holes are things with gravity so strong, not even light can escape it. Because black holes absorb light, they are completely black. Black holes can absorb everything that comes in their path. White holes allow the objects to escape, but this theory has not been confirmed yet. Types of black holes. There are 3 types of black holes. They are stellar black holes, intermediate mass black holes, and supermassive black holes. Supermassive black holes. Supermassive black holes are located in the centers of galaxies. Their mass is usually more than 1 million times the sun's mass. Huge stars. A few million years after the universe formed, star formation started. Back then, there was a lot more gas in space than there is now because stars have used it up. Because there used to be so much gas in space, stars could grow much larger and much more massive than even the largest and most massive stars that exist today. The biggest star we know is a red hypergiant, Stephenson 218. It is very large and massive, so you can imagine how massive the huge stars would have been. How supermassive black holes form? My theory. When the huge stars died, they formed black holes more massive than any star can form today. Because there was more gas in space than there is now, there were also more black holes in space. So many black holes that formed from huge stars collided with each other and combined into a supermassive black hole. Why supermassive black holes can't form now? Supermassive black holes can't form now because there isn't enough gas left to form a huge star. A supermassive black hole also can't be formed through combining black holes because the universe is expanding. Black holes are not too far apart to merge and create a supermassive black hole. If you learned something new in this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for each video as they are made. Bye.
And if you want to learn more about, then we are going to upload some more videos about 2 other missions. Our next video about the 2 other missions are going to be about the Moai statue and what happens when 2 galaxies collide. Bye.
Bye.